Easy-Peasy Baklava with milk syrup. Grease a rectangular baking dish with 2 tablespoons of butter. Rest the dish on top of the pastry. Trim off any excess dough protruding from under the tray and put to one side. Divide the main layers of pastry into 2 piles of equal size to make the 2 layers. Arrange the pieces of trimmed off dough on the bottom of the greased pan. Sprinkle over 4 tablespoons of finely ground walnuts. Cover the walnuts with 1 layer of pastry. Sprinkle over 4 tablespoons of coconut and use your hand to spread over the pastry. Cover with the remaining layer of dough. Melt 150 grams of margarine in a pan. To make the milky syrup, heat the milk and sugar in another pan. When it comes to the boil, remove from the stove and allow to cool. Pour the melted margarine over the pastry, then slice into small squares. Bake for 35 minutes in an oven preheated to 175 degrees centigrade. When the baklava has turned a golden colour, remove it from the oven. Use a ladle to pour the lukewarm milk syrup over the tray. Serve in small individual squares.